The posterior pituitary is a nervous system structure that contains neurons which extend down from the hypothalamus. These neurons secrete the hormones they produce directly into the bloodstream of systemic circulation. There are two major hormones secreted from the posterior pituitary. The first is antidiuretic hormone, which is also called vasopressin. It is secreted in response to increasing blood solute concentrations when solutes such as sodium are in high concentrations in the blood or in the body fluids, or when body water content decreases during dehydration. The hormone primarily targets the kidney tubules and collecting ducts, where it stimulates the production of aquaporin proteins in the walls of the tubules and the collecting ducts. This allows the kidney to reabsorb water from the filtrate and put it into the bloodstream. This functions to dilute the body solutes, replenish body water levels, and also increases blood volume. The increase in blood volume also increases blood pressure as well. The hormone also targets the muscular arteries and promotes vasoconstriction of the arteries in order to keep blood pressure high, even during dehydration when blood volume and blood pressure drop as a result of low fluid levels. Low secretion of the hormone, which is called hyposecretion, causes a condition called diabetes insipidus. This condition can occur if the pituitary gland is damaged by head trauma and creates chronic dehydration. Because when the hormone is secreted in low levels, the kidneys absorb insufficient amounts of water from the filtrate. The condition also results in high urine output, even when dehydrated, as the kidneys are not properly stimulated to reabsorb water from the filtrate before the filtrate is lost as urine. The second major hormone secreted from the posterior pituitary is oxytocin. This hormone is stimulated to be released toward the end of fetal development for pregnant women when the fetus pushes on the head of the cervix at the distal part of the uterus. The hormone targets the smooth muscle of the uterus, promoting contraction. We find that late in pregnancy, the number of oxytocin receptors in the uterus increases significantly, making the uterus more sensitive to the hormone. It also targets the mammary glands, promoting milk ejection from the glands, which is a reflex called milk letdown, by stimulating the contraction of the milk ducts.